Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
NSUI Goa, along with polytechnic students, government polytechnic pension, we came to meet the principal of the college. Because कालच तांची एक notification release झाला from the college saying that the internal exam तांची उरली to be conducted in offline mode. CM on record has said that the DT, the diploma exam, will be conducted in online mode. आणि आमकां अशी खबर आयला from internal news that the file regarding the online exam is already been cleared by the CM. The file जी आहे DT कडे पावला. The director of the technical education, he is not releasing the file of online exam. And as per the latest notification of the collector, if there is any exam to be conducted in offline mode, जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटाचो अप्रुवल जाय पडटा. सो आम्ही प्रिन्सिपलाक विचारलें तुमचे कडेन गव्हर्मेंटाचो अप्रुवल आसा टू कंडक्ट द इंटरनल एक्झाम इन ऑफलायन मोड. ताणें म्हणलें आमचे कडेन गव्हर्मेंटाचो अप्रुवल ना. आनी ताणें आमकां अश्युरन्स दिला दॅट फायनल एक्झाम जी आसा ऑफ डिप्लोमा एक्झाम दॅट वील बी कंडक्टेड इन ऑनलायन मोड. आनी फायल ऑलरेडी क्लियर जाला म्हटलें.